Hey everyone, what's up? This is Aaron from Car Stories coming at you. I have a video that I did a couple months ago. It's a really short install of these great magnetic paddle shifters from Madtrace. So I just thought I'd post this up and show you guys the install. It was really simple. I installed the entire set in about a half an hour. The video is not meant to be like a step-by-step tutorial because there are a couple steps that I wasn't able to record, although I will mention them in the video. But I think it basically shows you how easy the install really is, shows you the results, which I think are fantastic, and then you can decide for yourself, you know, if this is something you'd like to pick up for your GT3. So yeah, let's get right into it, and hope you enjoy this short video. So as you can see, the shifters come in this really nice box with the logo and everything. Looks very professional. As we open it, we're seeing the shifter mechanisms there, and then we have this nice little box here that contains the carbon fiber paddles. So yeah, really nice presentation, well made shifter mechanism there. It looks really cool, I thought, really sleek. Move over to the paddles here, and you can see it comes with two sets. We have like the longer carbon fiber paddles, which are the ones I decided to install, and there's also a set of shorter ones. So moving on to the install here, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you unhook the negative cable from your car battery. But then once you do that, there's a spot here on the steering wheel where you can just kind of stick I used a Torx screwdriver, and you're going to stick it in these holes on each side, and you're going to reach around for this little spring. You can feel it, it's pretty easy. You just push it in slightly and it should pop off the airbag there. And once you remove the airbag, there's a couple of wires there that connect the airbag to the steering wheel, and you just want to remove those. Once you remove the airbag, you want to remove the bolt that holds the steering wheel on. Before you pull the steering wheel off, you want to make sure that you mark top dead center for the steering wheel, so make sure that you put it on correctly. So what I did was, you see that little notch in the middle, and then I just made a little pen mark on the actual steering wheel so that I make sure that they line them up correctly. And here's what the car looks like without the steering wheel on. I thought it was kind of cool. So moving on to the next steps, I have my steering wheel on the workbench here, and I've removed the back cover of the steering wheel, which just comes off with a couple bolts. And then you unhook the original paddles. There's wires that hook them onto the steering wheel, and then you can just remove them really easily. To install the new ones, just kind of slide in the same spot. Just make sure those two little pegs align with the back of the steering wheel to keep it in place, and you can kind of see how that goes now. And then you just place the back cover back onto the steering wheel and secure it with the bolts. And then you can go ahead and stick the paddles on using the supplied Allen bolts. And then it's kind of cool because they are adjustable, so you can slide the paddles in and out to kind of fit your own comfort. And then here's one of the paddles already installed, so you can kind of see how it goes. Pretty cool. They feel really solid.
Hey everyone, want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, GT Society. GT Society is an Etsy retailer that specializes in original Porsche-inspired t-shirts and artwork, kind of like the one I'm wearing here. They have a lot of great products, and they're coming out with new designs all the time, so please go check them out. If you use the code PCARSTORIES, you'll receive 10% off your purchase. So again, thank you GT Society for sponsoring this video.
And here we are with the final results. I think it looks great. It was really easy to reinstall everything. I just attached the wiring from the steering wheel to the new paddles, then attached the larger wiring from the steering wheel to the steering column before sliding the steering wheel itself back into place, making sure to center the wheel according to my marks, and then tightening the center bolt. After I did that, then I just reattached the wire for the airbag and pop the airbag into place, which was very easy. And then finally reattach the car battery, and there you go. I really love the look of the new paddles and the feel. It's very satisfying to hear the click, and they just feel a lot more solid in general. I think it's a great upgrade for the car. It looks nice, and I definitely would recommend these to anyone who's looking to kind of upgrade the look and the feel of your shift paddles. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this was helpful. I'll try to provide some links in the description below where you can find these paddles. And then, yeah, if you have any comments or anything, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, thanks for watching.